What if I told you your fear isn't your enemy but your greatest teacher? Think about it. How many times have you stopped yourself from trying something amazing just because fear whispered in your ear? I have been there too, and what I learned is that fear does not need to be fought always. It can also be handled and embraced with compassion. So, what is fear? Fear is something that makes us feel scared or even panicked when we try to do it or we're just thinking about it. And it's completely okay and normal to have fear. Not everyone in this world will understand your fear. Some might also laugh at you, or also they would try to make you feel small just because of having those fears. But not everyone is meant to understand your fears or stand by you. The right peoples will always be there with you no matter what. They will always support you. They will be always right by your side. And the wrong ones, their absence is a blessing in disguise. So instead of blaming yourself or thinking yourself as someone weak, try to find the right ones who will actually support you and stand by your side instead of tearing you down. Now, understanding fear with compassion. Fear is not a sign of weakness, but it's the body's way trying to protect you. Here's the truth: you are the very first person, and you should be the very first person who understands your fear, who is making yourself feel safe, comfortable, and loved in your own company. We are so busy about thinking our strengths, good sides, qualities that we actually forget to see and notice our flaws and fears. They're also a part of us and we shouldn't be ashamed of having it. Acknowledging your fear is the first step towards healing or change. Every fear has a root cause, and maybe it started from the experience in childhood or a painful memory or even repeated pattern of thoughts. When we become aware of our fear, where it comes from, we actually begin to loosen its grip. Now, let us talk about practical, compassionate steps. How can we actually embrace our fears with compassion? Step number one: acknowledging your fear. Saying to yourself, yes, I'm afraid of this. Naming the fear is actually helping you take away its power and actually also helping you to know what your fears are about. Second, accept it. Remind yourself it's completely normal to feel in this way. It's completely normal to have fear. Step 3, loving yourself through it. Be your own safe space. Give yourself selfless love and comfort. Remember, you're the only person who will stay with you till your last breath. Step 4, work on it gradually. Don't force yourself to conquer everything in one day. Take baby steps. For example, if you fear public speaking, then start practicing in front of a mirror. Try to share some few lines with your family members, with your friends, and slowly, with consistent steps, you will actually reduce the intensity of fear. You don't have to erase fear completely, but what matters is teaching yourself that it's okay to feel in this way and you can still move forward in your life. So remember, acknowledging your fears, accepting them, having a self love and compassion towards yourself, and then working gradually on it will help you to actually, reduce your fear. Don't ignore your fears or don't have shame on having it. Instead, embrace the fears with compassion. When you do that, fear no longer becomes a cage, but it actually becomes a guide and it teaches you. And when you walk hand in hand with your fear, you will actually discover your truest strength. So that's it for this video. I hope you found something helpful in this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if this message touched your heart, let me know in the comment section below. Till then, take care.